Welcome to this video on the AI Growth Multiplier. We will explore a strategic blueprint for AI-driven workforce expansion and capability augmentation based on empirical research, including the PwC 2026 Global AI Jobs Barometer. While many fear that AI will cause mass displacement and wage compression, the data shows a different reality. In successful adoptions, AI acts as a value multiplier, actually expanding headcount and elevating both skills and compensation. There is a performance chasm between minimal and top quintile adopters. Those who embrace AI-intensive strategies see significant productivity gains of over 160%, faster wage growth, and a substantial increase in senior-level skill requirements for roles. Organizations face a strategic crossroads. Defensive automation seeks to minimize workers as costs, while strategic augmentation treats them as assets to amplify. Choosing a strategic posture is essential for capturing major productivity premiums. The economic mechanics of AI-driven expansion rely on the productivity and complementarity effects. While substitution of routine tasks occurs, it is the combined upward thrust of productivity and new, high-value human tasks that drives growth. The automation-augmentation paradox reveals that organizations treating AI as only a technical deployment often fail. True growth is a socio-technical outcome that requires upgrading human organizational practices alongside new technology. AI shifts the trajectory of work. New hires often bypass routine procedural work, starting at a higher cognitive altitude. This creates a high demand for distinctly human capabilities, like empathy, complex judgment, and creative problem-solving. Why isn't technology investment enough? Only a small percentage of organizations reach deep integration. The true differentiator is complementary capabilities like data-driven cultures, decentralized authority, and intensive employee training. To achieve employment-expanding AI integration, organizations should follow a socio-technical blueprint. This includes transparent communication, procedural justice, deliberate work architecture, systematic capability building, and proactive financial support. Building trust is fundamental. Processes perceived as fair lead to better adoption. Companies like Unilever and AT&T have successfully used participatory design and transparent skill assessments to transition employees into new, valuable roles. Funding the human upgrade is vital. You cannot expect workers to bridge skill gaps alone. Providing protected time for learning, tuition support, and internal redeployment matches are essential for scaling capabilities. Operating models must move beyond simple task automation. By flattening hierarchies and dismantling functional silos, organizations like DBS Bank have redesigned workflows to focus on customer journeys, empowering staff with advisory roles. Static job descriptions are increasingly incompatible with AI. A better approach is a skills-based organization, using an internal marketplace to match workers to dynamic, cross-functional projects based on their unique skill portfolios. Continuous learning is the final pillar. By creating an environment of psychological safety where employees can experiment and fail without status loss, organizations gain the collective intelligence needed to adapt to emerging skill requirements. In conclusion, the choice is yours. Deploy defensively to cut costs or strategically to amplify human capability. The data is clear. By integrating artificial processing with human judgment, organizations unlock massive potential and capture the future.